Om Swastiastu. Hello, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make Gado Gado. Gado Gado is a very popular dish from Indonesia. So everywhere you go in Indonesia, it's really easy to find the Gado Gado. And in Bali, it's been very popular. I think everyone loves Gado Gado. So let's start. First thing, I'm going to introduce all the ingredients I'm going to put into the Gado Gado later. Here I have spinach, lemon basil, this is the snack beans, tomato, cucumber, tempeh, this is the melinjo crackers, and here I have two peanut, this is a deep fried peanut, just to show that this is the peanut I'm going to use later. And here I prepared earlier the one that I blend already. And later we need some salt, palm sugar, fried shallot, shrimp paste, and this is the condiment. We're going to use the sweet corn, which is this I boiled already earlier, and boiled potato, boiled egg, bean sprout, oil, sweet soy sauce, water, tofu, kaffir lime leaf, garlic, kaffir lime fruit, and some chilies. So let's make it. First thing, I'm going to blanch the vegetables. So here I have some water and I'm going to add a little bit of salt. First thing, I'm going to blanch the bean sprout, but I will prepare first the snack bean. You can put as many as you can the vegetable, and whatever vegetable you like. You can also put raw vegetable, don't have to cook vegetable all the time. But here I make the one that the traditional one what we make at home. And I'm going to cut the snack bean to these pieces. So the water is ready. I'm going to add the bean sprout. Bean sprout is cooked very quick, so it's like a few seconds. So here I'm using this, so it's not lots of the water on the vegetable. And now I'm going to add the spinach. Spinach also not take too long to blanch. And I'm going to boil the snack bean. This is take a bit longer. So the snack bean is ready. So now I'm going to fry the tempeh, tofu, garlic, and chilies. First thing, let's put the on, and I'm going to add some vegetable oil. I'm not going to use all the tempeh. And I'm going to cut the tofu into triangle. Just add a pinch of salt. Let's add the tofu. And tempeh. So I'm going to turn over the tempeh and tofu. Let's see here. And now I'm going to fry the chili. I'm going to use 3 chilies and 2 garlic. Just little stir, not too long. That's enough. add here. So let's make it the sauce now. So first thing, I'm going to add the chili and garlic and 1 kaffir lime leaf. You can also use blender or food processor, but I just quite like to use mortar and pestle. And I'm going to add shrimp paste and half teaspoon of salt, and I'm going to add 1.5 tablespoon of palm sugar and half cup of the peanut. You can use roasted peanut. I'm using here deep fried peanut, which is I blend earlier. So just now I forget to say that I also use tamarind juice, which is I put the tamarind paste with some water. So here I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of tamarind juice. And now I'm going to add some fresh water, add little bit by little bit, so until the consistency you like. And now I'm going to add kaffir lime fruit, just a squeeze. And the last one is a sweet soy sauce, which is I'm going to use half tablespoon. So the sauce is ready. Let's plate it. So the first thing, I'm going to squeeze the spinach. So remove the excess water. I'm going to add the bean sprout, snack bean, some potato, boiled egg, lemon basil. The lemon basil actually is optional, but I really like my gado gado with lemon basil, just give the special aroma. Tofu and tempeh, some tomatoes, and a sweet corn. And I'm going to add some cucumber. And now I'm going to add the peanut sauce. And the last one is a fried shallot. So here we are, Gado Gado. Thank you very much for watching. Please let me know how your food tastes, and I'll see you next time. Batur Suksma, I hope you enjoy it. Bye bye.